Creating a project revision. In this tutorial we will demonstrate how to begin a project revision. In our example we will be updating the project backgrounds. On the top left corner, go to File and select Project. Here is where you can edit all the relevant project details. Add or update all project details if necessary. For this example, I will add a few project details. Next, this step is very important. To the right of the screen, click on the New button above the Revisions table. This will create a new entry on the table. Let's edit the details for the revision. The first one is the revision title. Name it per your business best practice. This will show on the header page of the submittal and title block of your design. Next you can enter a summary of what the revision covers if you want to keep a record. Once you are done, click on the back button at the top left corner. Revision changes. Let's update the backgrounds. Under the Home tab, select Import. You can use any of the import options available. For our example we will use the Replace Backgrounds option to speed up the process. First select the updated drawings file. Within the Replace Background window, you will find various options. Let's go over each one of them. The Auto Select Replacement will assign the pages based on your first selection. On the top right corner, you will find the button to navigate through the PDF pages. Let's assign the first page to replace. You notice that the second page got assigned automatically. The Auto Select Replacement works best if you're replacing all the pages and they are numerically organized on the PDF file. That's not the case. For our example, we will manually assign the correct page to replace. Once you assigned all the pages, in the bottom right corner you will find the Plan Type Assignment option for lighting, power, and HVAC. The Cloud Differences option helps you identify the changes to the new backgrounds by adding a cloud around it. Click OK once you are done making all your selections. Now the backgrounds have been replaced for all the pages. On the right panel, go to Display. Under the PDF/image layer, lock the new plans and leave the old plan hidden. Next, we will add revision clouds to the changes made based on the updated drawings. Revision clouds. Under the Home tab, click on Cloud. Here we have two options, Rectangle and Polygon. Let's start with the Rectangle option. Click on two opposite corners to draw a revision cloud to the area updated. Notice that once you place a revision cloud on the plans, it will get assigned to the project current revision date. Let's continue adding revision clouds to this project's changes and explore the other options available. First, lock the new background and keep the old one hidden. You can also use the keyboard to activate revision clouds. Press the U key to draw a rectangle revision cloud. And the last option, Polygon. This option gives you the freedom to draw a revision cloud in any shape around your changed areas. You can press and hold the Shift key to lock your mouse horizontal and vertical lines and speed up the process. Next, let's talk about revision print pages. Here, we primarily want to make sure that the correct background is shown. Select the layout. On the right panel, click on Display and check the box for Sync Layers to Design. This will make sure that the print pages match what you have designed. Make sure you do this to all your print pages. Revision risers. The project risers will get automatically updated as you go through the project making changes. If for any reason a riser didn't get updated or risers for new areas added to the design were not created, unlock the risers, select them all, right-click and select Remove. Now let's add the risers back to our project. Click on the risers icon, select Auto Generate Risers Pages and click on Done. This process will make sure that all the risers are created and updated based on the changes made to the project. Once you are done reviewing all the print pages for your design and risers, check your title block. Make sure that it includes the revision title and date. And the final step. Click on File and select Print. Print Project Revision. Review the pages you would like to include in your layout package and click on Print to PDF. That's all for this video. Make sure to check out all our visual controls tutorials. Thank you for watching.